Good morning, everyone. I am Kelly Arbenosa. Our group chose the Region 3 and the assigned city for me is San Fernando City, Pampanga. These are the following questions that will be answered. Number 1. Quality of service delivery in health. Health of the population in the community is very important. That's why the city of San Fernando, Pampanga first prioritized the health of the peoples in the community. As of 2015, the city of San Fernando has 8 hospitals, 6 private and 2 public, 5 rural health units which are open 24 hours a day, and 5 birthing stations. The Regional Hospital, the Jose B. Lingad Memorial and Regional Hospital, or JVLMRH, is located in the city, providing healthcare services to both Fernandinos and patients from the whole Central Luzon. The JVLMRH increased its authorized bed capacity from 250 in 2012 to 500 in 2014. Number 2. Education. Education is vital in life. This is very important in city to have a better life and have a holistic development of the city. That's why the city of San Fernando, Pampanga took the opportunity to provide a quality education to the citizens of the city. Number 3. Social welfare. The city of San Fernando, Pampanga gave also an important contribution to the security of disadvantaged people, the most vulnerable sector of the society, such as the children, women, and youth. The city of San Fernando aims for universal and quality early childhood care and development, or ECCD services. To deliver quality ECCD program, the city government continued to support the accreditation of the daycare centers and workers by the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD. Number 4. Housing. Shelter is one of the basic needs of the people to survive in life. That's why the city of San Fernando City, Pampanga, members of the High Authority think for the solution in providing housing for the people who are not able to provide for themselves. Number 1 on the list is Jesus Reynaldo Ray Bondoc Aquino, MD. Born on October 31, 1954, is a Filipino politician who is the last municipal mayor of San Fernando and its first mayor when it became a city. He also served as congressman from 3rd District of Pampanga from June 30, 2004 to June 30, 2007. These are his contributions. During his term as a mayor of San Fernando, Aquino lobbied for the cityhood of the San Fernando town. Aquino saved the San Fernando from further damage caused by the eruption of Mount Pinatubo. And also Aquino increased the flow of investment and employment in the city of San Fernando by allowing SM and Robinson Star Mall mills followed thereafter. The second one is Oscar S. Rodriguez, born in September 1915, was the mayor of San Fernando, Pampanga in the Philippines from 2004. He was formerly a member of Lakas Kampi CMD, but switched to Liberal Party during 2010 Philippine general election. These are his contributions. He authored several laws like the Republic Act 9225, the dual citizenship law providing the overseas Filipinos to participate in political processes. The second is the Republic Act 9173, which seeks to strengthen the nursing profession in the Philippines. And the third is he has also authorized bill that seeks prohibition of political dynasties and amendments to the illegal discharge of firearms. And the last is Edwin David Santiago, known by his initials EDSA, is a Filipino politician who served as the mayor of San Fernando since 2013. He previously served as vice mayor under Oscar Rodriguez from 2004 until 2013 and councilor from 1988 until 1998. These are his contributions. He advocated the employees' right and supporter of housing development for workers. He also managed nurses to USA, job search and placement, and has been part of the development of Ayala and SM malls. And he also gave time to cater the masses of unfortunate people.